Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor Department of English at Jaiswal College, Origini Morgaon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another video. Dear friends, we teaching fraternity or the student, when we work online or when we apply for any position or for any advertisement, in response to that advertisement, we always get confused how to resize page, how to re-edit, how to convert, how to compress, various problems you faced. So for this all these issues, I have a solution today, that is I love PDF. It means when you learn this software, I am sure that you will love this PDF. So this is an online PDF tool for a PDF lover. So you can easily create your you can convert, you can create, you can compress, you can convert into Excel, Word, PDF, split, various things you can do in this presentation or in this software. So we will see one by one. So let's see what are the in this software. You can merge PDF, you can split, compress PDF to Word, you can convert from PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, and edit PDF or a repair PDF. And there are so many features are here. We will see one by one. So let's begin with the I love PDF software. I open my Google browser. I will type here I love PDF. The name of this software itself is I love PDF. So there is no any surprising thing. So this is the page and this is the official website. Let me hit and let's go and visit the official home page. So this is the home page where you can find the features and the various advantages, or the different styles are available here, where you can do number of things or you can use and enjoy the learning with I love PDF. So let's start with the features. So when I go to all PDFs, it is free. No need to pay any extra amount of money or any amount money for this software. You can also install the download desktop version on your computer or your laptop and use it. So I'm using the online version because we rarely use this software, so it is better to use online. So let's go and try one by one. So we can merge PDF. For example, this is the option. As I go, I need to select the PDF file first so that I can merge two PDF file into one, and you will find the result within few minutes or within few seconds. So as you go and you can select, you can also select from this this way either, or you can go and directly drop and down the files from, for example, these two syllabus or these two things. For example, this is the online quiz and the poetical or the literary terms. Okay, let me do or merge these two PDF, and as I selected these two files are available here. These are the two presentation which are already saved in PDF. I am going to merge it. So just after inserting or choosing that file, you just click on this merge file. You can also compress. For example, if two PDF files are combined together and if the size is very big, you can also compress or the resize the file here. So the upload process is completed. Now we will see the result. It is merging and almost done. It is says download the merge file. Either you can go and click on this merge file, or automatically without clicking it is already started. Now see, the file of two files is 1.5 MB, right? So I want to this file I want to resize and compress this file, because size is sometimes in various software or in here. For example, when we go and apply, it says you just insert or upload this size photo or the file. So this is more than, or this is bigger than 1 MB. Now I will save this first, or I will choose this file in my desktop. So let me save this and okay, it is available. It is available in my download section. So this is the file. I'm going to cut this file and save it on desktop. So this is the file. Now as you go, let me go and use another feature. For example, as I have merged, let me compress this file. So as you go and compress option, again you select the same file which you have created just now. So we need to select the file from our system. For example, in download system it is available here. Okay, it is not on the desktop, it is available. So this is the file. I will going to open this. It is available here. Now the size was 1555 KB, means 1.5 MB. Let me compress this. Now you can see the size also, and after compressing the new size or the compressed size, you can see here. So this is again very important feature which very interesting for me, and I hope when you start using this software, I hope you will love this. That is why the name is I Love PDF. So the process is going on. We will see one by one. You need to wait for a second or for 10 or 30 seconds. So the file will be ready for you, and you can take it or you can save it in your desktop in your system. So I think it is taking time, so we will see one by one. Okay, as we have seen another feature, let me try till again. I am going to open the second. So till now okay, let me go once again to I Love PDF. We will see one by one another feature. For example, if I want to convert any PDF file to Word, you can go to this option. Again you select any file which you like. For example, I'm going to select the Word file from my system, that is from my device. For example, PDF file, I don't know which file it is. Okay, this is the file I want to, this is PDF file, let me convert into Word. So you can easily convert by clicking on this button. Okay, this is the copy of my paper. Let me convert into Word. So our file is might be ready. You can download it. The compressed file is available here, which we have tried just now. Now see, the size of that previous file was 1.52 MB. Now the resize or the compressed size is 477.86 KB. It is, and it will maintain the quality. You will surprise that whenever you try this software, this is far better than other software, so you can go and enjoy this. Now see, our file is again ready. I have converted one more PDF file into Word file. So again, so let me click. So it is available here. Now see, the Word file means the PDF file converted into Word, and it is available here. Now again let me go and choose another feature. For example, some photos are there, and if you want to convert that JPG file or photos, for example, many times we need to apply for various proposals, and they ask various proofs, for example PDF photos, or so we need to convert all this JPG file into PDF file. So this is the best way. You can select the JPG file which are available in your system. So you can select like this. We have seen two things right now. Again let me go to picture. There are various JPG file, for example, okay, 1 2 3. Now these three files I have selected. You will see I want to convert these JPG file into one. You will see the size is also very less than the previous photos or the JPG file. So this is how you can go. Let me go one by one. You can remove the pages. For example, this is the option, and if you think that there are some mistakes in my file, and if I want to remove that PDF file, for example first page, second page, or the middle page, or the 18th or the last page, you can go to this option. And suppose if I select any file, for example let me select the compressed one, and if when I select this file, now there are various pages, for example 61 pages, and if I want to remove the first one, or you can select like this, you can select or you can mark like this, so these pages will be removed from your file or the PDF file. So this is how again the process is going on. Let me go back to my previous process. The process of converting from PNG file to PDF is going on, so you can find here. So this is one-stop solution for all kind of purpose. Now see, this is the page which I have created just now. Now the file of that 3 file was again very low or the less. You can go and open this file. So as I open, all these 3 PNG files are in one file, right? So this is the page or the 3 things. Now this is the file of the pages which from where I have removed 6 or 7 pages, and now the removed or now pages were 61, now there are 52 pages. So this is how you can do various things in this software. You can also convert from PDF to JPG, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, Excel. You can also add a watermark. Let me try this, so because this is again very important. So again, when I go to this option, I need to choose this file, and when I select this, okay, this file, let me choose, or let me choose this one. Okay, this file, and you will find 4 pages are there, and on this page or on these pages I want to add. So you can add the text or you can add image. So as I go and add image, you can select like this, or you can add text, simple text. You can select like this here where you want. So let me choose text. For example, this is Lakshmikant Kapgate. So you will find the result. Again, if you want the transparency, let me choose the 50 or the 25%. You will see the result. Again, okay, let me click on add watermark. All these facilities are available in Microsoft Words, but with the help of this software you can do various things or extra things in this page or in your file also. So let's see the page where I have created. Now see, this is the watermark which I have added just now here, like this. So dear friends, this is the most and the very easiest tool I think I have ever seen. You can also try this, and you can make your work easy. So thank you my dear friends for watching this. If you like